Welcome to HMI Screen Printers. This video shows the U-lign 4 manual vision system installed in the popular MSP 485 screen printer. The U-lign 4 is a PC-based vision system utilizing proprietary software designed to enable the printer operator to easily and accurately align the substrate to the screen image. This manual vision system is available on all HMI screen printers and is also available as a retrofit kit for existing HMI and AMI Presco screen printers currently in the field. The U-lign vision system has a lockout feature which disables the printer from cycling if the substrate is not aligned properly to the manager's specifications. The manager will log on to the system with their password and set the required alignment tolerance. The operator will be prompted to align each print within the set tolerance. Once aligned, the system status bar turns from red to green, which informs the operator that the required alignment tolerance has been met and the printer will now cycle when the start buttons are pressed. The system has 4 alignment modes to assist in ease of alignment. The most common alignment method is called boundary, which accurately outlines the initial wet train print and shows the outline print image over the live substrate view as seen in the high-definition color monitor. If the outlined train print is not in the proper location over the substrate, the operator simply adjusts the micrometers of the XY theta stage until the live substrate image is properly aligned to the trained print outline. The vision system allows the operator to view the location of the print overlaid on the live substrate image prior to ever printing the substrate. Other alignment capabilities are a circle generator for alignment to circular targets, a full image overlay showing the entire print image over the substrate, as well as an adjustable dual crosshair mode which is commonly used for aligning the print to a bare unprinted substrate. Optional lighting sources such as red, green, blue, programmable multiple color LED lights, as well as fiber optic lights are available to meet your substrate paste color combinations. Optional laser pointers assist in quickly aligning the cameras to the substrate fiducials during initial setup. Optional fine adjust micrometers allow the operator to accurately move the cameras in X and Y to be placed above the printed fiducials during initial setup. The manual vision alignment system saves both time and money by allowing the operator to see where the print will be located on the substrate prior to making the screen print. The advantages this system allows for are increased productivity and throughput, superior printed substrates, cost saving on paste, reduction of reclaiming cost if precious metal pastes are being used. For more information about the U-lign 4 manual vision alignment system, as well as automatic vision alignment systems, please contact HMI Sales at sales@hmiprinters.com or call 908-722-7100 to further discuss this feature.